In this video, we are going to present to you with Rainbow Toolbar function. This powerful feature allows one to define an interface to a needed functionality and to code that functionality using business add-in body. The Toolbar function button could be thereafter incorporated into any Rainbow report. To consume the functionality behind the Toolbar function button, the Rainbow reports fields should be mapped onto the Toolbar functions interface. Now, by selecting a few records and pressing the Toolbar function button, the functionality could be manifest. The Toolbar function concept turns any Rainbow report into an operational report. This way, standard SAP business objects could be updated. We'll start by customizing the Toolbar function. From customizing, Toolbar function, create a new Toolbar function. We'll add a new record and we will fill in the Toolbar function header data, which is the name of the Toolbar function, the icon text and the quick info information, and whether this Toolbar function will refresh the Rainbow report. In our case, we are going to update the user address data, and that's why we'll take the user, the department, and the phone number as interface. By that time, we'll save the newly created Toolbar function, and we'll now create the implementation. We'll copy the sample code that resides within the system. We'll activate everything, and we will drill down into the implementation. Okay, you can see that the username, the department, and the room number are replaced within the correct places and will be sent to the BAPI that modify the user data. We'll now create a new Rainbow report. We'll give it a meaningful name. We'll set the transaction and the selection variant of the user address data. There you go. We are now going to set up a key to this report to enable input fields. We will now create two input fields, one per the department and the other for the room number. Both will use the corresponding data elements, and we will overrule the names, adding the word new to distinct them from the standard SAP fields. We will move them alongside the original fields, and now we can incorporate the new Toolbar function. We'll pick up the name, and we'll now map the fields from the interface onto the report fields. So the system correctly mapped the user but missed the new department and new room number. We'll set up a name. The address is going to be the name of the push button, and we are good to go. A new push button was just created. We'll test it with one record. We'll key in a new department and a room number. We will save the input data, mark the record, and press the button. And we got a success message, and we can see that the old name was changed according to the new input. We'll now mass update all the three records by setting the new departments and new room numbers. We will select all records, press the address button, and we'll get a success message. We'll drill down to one of the records to check our work.